I'm Oriol Balcells. I'm working for HRC Rally. We are here at the Dakar and I'm in charge of all the parts and mechanics for the race during all year. So in July, Motul contacted us to test the new 300B. We start using this oil in Morocco Rally this year and we already get some improvements coming from the riders, and then post the race we check all the parts and engines and we found out that we had really good engines. The results were really good. It helps to regulate the temperature on the bike and a good feeling with the clutch, of course. In the engine we have a lot of friction. This friction needs to be minimized with the oil, and if the oil has a good quality, all the parts has longer durability. And in the desert, you know that in the night it's really cold, but then in the morning, 10 a.m., 11 a.m., it's really hot. This is something that we need to take care. Day by day, during the races, we take always the samples and we do a report really accurate with the Motul lab. So we really know exactly which material worn from the engine. If it's aluminum, steel. We want a better durability of the engine and less wear. All the engineers in Japan, they compare and test before to reach Motul other brands, and they choose Motul for a reason, obviously, for the quality that we have, but also, as we spoke before about the lab, that all the data that we can reach and get from you guys is incredible. It helps us a lot to prepare all season. Our goal for this Dakar is win and to put all the riders in the podium maximum, if possible.